Long time no see, Ayintemi. Okay, now let's cover and decorate this lovely cake together in real time. Let me not lie here. When I started working on this particular cake, I had no idea as regards the design or what the outcome would even look like because my brain just DMT. The client told me that Fawaz the cake boy, do your thing, but in case you want to include any color, I would always prefer blue. Now, so I just did my own. No, I just did do my own. They go. I don't want to run up and down across the streets of Cake Jungle on top Instagram because intimidation plenty for this apple. I will see some cake like this. I will nearly bite my finger, say make kilo dation a person they do this kind of cake too. But anyway, Sha they did my thing they go. When I finished the crumb coat, I also did the final coat. I remember that was when I remember that I had this lovely stencil at home that it has been quite a while I used it. I decided to try it out and now, I decided to try it out on this particular cake with the design saying that, oh yeah, maybe it will even be different and it will add a little bit jazzy and paparazzi to the cake. I used the stencil immediately I did the final coating. Although some people told me that it is better to let the final coat first cross first and all of that. But then Misha, I added the stencil immediately when I finished the final coat and it came out nice. What is your opinion about this? Do you also think that your buttercream should also cross before you finish it, or you can just go the way you want it? So I tried it, but then I think I nailed this quite all right. And guys, what do you think about it? Click the link in the bio to get my signature red velvet recipe and also to access the ultimate buttercream master guide. Forever a recipe bestie, like and follow for more. I love you.